How's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Age Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. We have a special promotion that'll be going on tomorrow. This will involve a free 120-inch 16:9 fixed frame screen. Now, the promotion, actually it's going to be a promotion package, will be going for around $768. It will come with a free 120-inch 16:9 fixed frame screen. You have a choice of 3 colors, whether you want it in silver, black, or the new platinum slate. Now also too, we have another kit. This comes with the wallpaper screen. Actually, the wallpaper kit does come with, well, actually one that comes with a projector. It comes with a full 1080p projector. The projector has a lens shift capability. It has all kinds of different interesting, actually one of the interesting features has the Wi-Fi feature. It has a couple of other interesting items on it, DLP, 3D, the whole 9 yards. This is the wallpaper kit that comes with a sheet of plexiglass that is 4x8, very thin, very flexible, fantastic for designing your own curved screens or your own wallpaper screens. Now we have, now mind, that only comes in 4x8, but the new surface we have here, the new screen we have here, comes with a 120-inch 16:9 fixed frame aluminum fixed frame screen. That is the box right there showing you that it's actually, it's a very nice sizable box, and since we do have a few contracts with a few shipping carriers, easy for us to ship this package to you for free. Yes, I said free. Anyway, so you'll have 2 quarts option of whether you want the black nano, silver nano, or the platinum slate nano. Also too, we'll throw in some LED lights to backlight your screen, and yeah, it's gonna be an awesome kit. So you're gonna get the LED lights, get the free 120-inch 16:9 aluminum fixed frame screen, and you will get the Wagner 150 paint sprayer, which you're going to need to paint the screen to begin with, and a 3 color option of whether you want this in silver, whether you want this in black, or whether you want this in the platinum slate. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you on this screen was actually coated using our ECLIPSE black nano. If you're curious to see how the screen was painted, look at the bottom of the comments section. You will see the demonstration, and then of course you will see the afterwards here, right here. Alright, so let's begin. Let me show you where my projector is sitting. We're around 13 feet back, so I pulled it back a little farther, about 13 feet back, in a fully lit environment. And let me explain something to you about ambient light really quick. Ambient light is ambient light. No matter how you look at it, or how you describe it, it's ambient light. That's all to it. If it's light in your environment and your screen washes out in that environment, that's what's going to happen. Like I said, it's technology. Put it this way, a better way of putting this. You can look at the definition of ambient light. That does not change the fact that it's going to wash out your screen. If you have a window next to your screen, it's going to wash out your screen. If you have lights in your environment that are too bright, they're going to wash out your screen. That's why you have people using ambient lit controlled environment, because they can control the lighting on where they want it to go so it doesn't interfere with the screen. But it doesn't make a difference. You can go to the apples and oranges all day long through Cyclopedias and Google or whatever on ambient light. The bottom line, if it's in your environment, chances are, and you're not using our technology, it's going to wipe out your screen. And that's something we don't have to worry about, because doesn't make a difference how much light is in the environment, the screen is going to thrive. Alright, so let's begin. Let's move this out of the way, and let's start. Keep in mind, you can see how much light is hitting the screen. So we're at 120 inches at 13 feet back from the screen in a fully lit environment. And this is what this screen can pick up. See, what I consider to be comfortable ambient light environments, when you're doing a demonstration and it's being done in your environment, it's in a comfortable environment. These are not comfortable environments for these screens. I have to use abnormal light in my environment because I need for this screen to be able to perform well. It's like if you're testing bulletproof armor, you're not going to use the lightest weapon to hit that armor with. You're going to use the most heaviest, most ballistic weapon you can to actually hit that armor. If it can survive that, it can survive anything. That's how you test your stuff. Got to put it under harsh conditions. You don't want to tippy toe around that. I doubt you would go out and buy a vest that's only been tested on a 38. That's it. Would you trust that vest? I don't think you would. Somebody decides to hit you with a 50 cal, that's the end of it. Now that's why it's very important to do these harsh tests. Over here, show you the angle gain of the screen, all the way across. Oh, we ran out of video. Hold on. Let me go back. We got another one set up. I'll go back a little bit more on that one. I wanted to show you the side angle on that screen. There we go. Let's come over here. Get over here at the corner. I'm going to show you everything. Angle comes up on the screen. So you're not going to lose any picture quality whatsoever. So man, it's me tripping behind my boxes. Alright, so let me grab the other video I got set up. Now like I said, if you see tannish, like a tannish kind of coloration around the screen, that shows you the screen is washing out. You shouldn't have any form of tannish around the screen. Keep in mind, the Nano is designed to be sprayed on anything, and I mean literally anything. You spray this up on anything. Or any of the Nanos. Okay, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I like to sign off a little earlier just in case, I go on into the video sometimes, and if it cuts off in the middle, well, at least I got my sign off in there. And also to keep in mind, the projector has never been calibrated. We're not using any form of 4K upscaling. We're still setting the factory default settings. This is right out of a box projector. See how beautiful the black levels are on this screen. And like I said, this screen, like I said, the white levels are a little bit silverish, but like I said, they're beautiful white levels. And I'll always put that out there. You know what I mean? I'll tell you the difference between the different screens we design, whether it be the silver, whether it be the platinum, or whether it be the black screens. This is how magnificent these screens are. And you can see the light cascading down on my screen. Look at the detail in the picture. Now my projector is, I think, 3,300 lumens. That's what it is. I don't have to use a 4,000 lumen projector. I don't have to go overkill 5,000 lumen projector. I can use, these screens can be used with a projector up to 500 lumens. That is my wife calling me. I gotta go. I hope you all enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching. I have to go. Thank you all for your time.